We are on homework 12, bond Z. Z is the last letter of the alphabet, and this is the last bond in our homework. So we'll do this one, then we're going to go do something else. All right, we're going to go do something else separately. You'll do your thing, I'll do my thing. But this we're going to do together, so let's go through bond Z. All right, so we have a contract interest rate that is more than the market interest rate, which indicates this is probably we're going to sell this for a premium, right? People are going to pay us extra because they can get more with our bond than they could out on the open market. We are confirmed because our issue price is greater than 100 or greater than 100%. So this is for sure a premium bond. All right. How many interest payments? Well, it's a 10-year bond times 2 because we're going to pay twice a year. So there will be 20 payments. The amount of each interest payment is going to be par value of $50,000 times our contract interest rate of 8% times 180 divided by 360. All right, that's $2,000. How much cash will we receive? Well, we're going to receive the par value times the issue price. The issue price is 104, so in our formula, that will be 1.04, 104%. We are going to get $52,000. How much is the premium? Well, the premium is going to be the amount of cash we're going to receive minus par value. So our premium is $2,000. How much will be amortized with each interest payment? Well, we're going to take our premium of $2,000 and divide it by the number of interest payment periods of 20. That means we're going to amortize $100 of this premium every time we make an interest payment, twice a year. And the interest expense is going to be the cash interest payment minus the premium amortization, so $2,000 minus $100, or $1,900. Okay? All right. So at issuance, we are going to debit cash. We love debiting cash because that means we are getting cash, and we love getting cash. Who doesn't love getting cash? Raise your hand. Kicked out of this class. No, I'm just kidding. But I mean, really, who doesn't love getting cash? All right, and we are going to get, we said, $52,000. Then we are going to credit our premium. Oops, wrong one. And we said our premium is $2,000. And then we are also going to credit bonds payable for par value because we always debit and credit bonds payable at par value. We only touch bonds payable in the amount of par value. All right, so we got total debits of $52,000, total credits of $52,000. We are happy, happy, happy. All right, now we're going to make our first semi-annual interest payment. So we are going to debit interest expense, and we said that was going to be for $1,900. And we are going to amortize that premium. We're going to amortize it with a debit. Why? When we established the premium, it was a credit. So in order to get rid of it over the life of the bond, we need to debit it every time we amortize it. And so we are going to debit premium for our premium amortization of $100. And then we are going to credit our good friend cash, which makes us a little more sad than when we debit cash, because that means we are paying someone cash. But they're letting us use their $52,000, so maybe that's a fair trade-off. And we said the interest payment is going to be $2,000. All right, so our total debits are $2,000. Our total credits are $2,000. We are happy. All right, the very last one, you know this. I don't even need to say it, but since this is a pre-recorded video and you're not watching it live, I will say it for you. We know every time we retire a bond, we debit bonds payable to get rid of the liability, and we credit cash because we need to pay out cash for par value, which is $50,000 in this case. All right, we have gotten to the end of the alphabet. We have gotten to the end of our homework. So you go do something more fun. I'll go do something more fun, and we will meet back for Module 13. All right, see you then.